Welcome to another video, welcome to the channel. It's Saturday, 25th of January 2025, 4 degrees Celsius and about 40 Fahrenheit, a little bit on the chilly side, a few winds around. And today, back in beautiful Bathpool, Glynn's bought the Insta 360 camera, so I'm going to try a little bit of that out. Come with us. Capturing moments, creating memories, that's what we do. Come on. Right, so we're using the 360 and this is the sound coming off the 360. So just walking through the woods here. And this is the second part of the tunnel that was used for Leslie Whittle. And if you watch our murder from the bygone days, this is where the murderer was actually waiting for a ransom on him. Alright, so let's continue practicing with the 360 camera. It's a beautiful day. A little bit on the muddy side here. And we're now just coming to the old bandstand area. So we're hoping we're going to bring you guys some pretty amazing footage from Australia and the US with this 360 camera. Wow, it's still actually icy around here at the moment. I was going to get the drone up, but it is a little bit on the breezy side, so we'll see how we go. I think what we do at the moment is we do a bit of this 360 camera and see how it comes out. We may can have a little walk around the lake. Right, we're back on the iPhone, so did a little bit of 360 there, just walking past the old bandstand area. Let me know in the comments what it was like. Something completely new to us using a 360. So yeah, lots more footage to come for you guys. But what a beautiful day it is today. Now, I've just checked out the wind conditions. On the iPhone it says 12 miles an hour. Feels a little bit more breezy than that. A little bit too breezy to get the drone up today. So we're in the middle of storm, is it Eowyn? Is that how you say it? I'm not too sure. Well, look at the iPhone, it says snow at midnight tonight. And apparently we're going to get a lot of rain over the weekend. But you can't beat today. Absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, not a cloud in the sky today. Yesterday was extremely windy. A little bit on the nippy side, but not too bad. Right, we're back on the 360. I think this has got to be my most favourite part of Bathpool. Ski slope right behind us. And we've got the rugby fields. This beautiful view of the lake with this stunning sunshine today. I think what we need to probably do is hook the 360 up with one of the mics so we get the video quality much better. But again, just practicing and seeing how it goes. The ski slope's not open today. Now, I did try this morning for you guys to see if Cloughall Park's open. Still shut. I must be on its 6th week now of it being shut. And there we go. What a beautiful scene. Sun shining in Bathpool today. How spectacular does that look? Wow. And with the iPhone we're filming 4K 30. Just can't beat Bathpool on a day like today. Main idea of the 360 camera, if you remember back in August, September in the US, we had the GoPro stuck out of the car window, showing you those amazing shots of the car as we were driving around LA. Hopefully this is going to do an even better job. As you can see, the sun is directly on my back, casting the shadow there. Do you know what? I could do winter like this. This is just stunning. Loving it. Just look how blue Bathpool Lake is today with the sun. Fabulous, eh? Right, let's do another little bit of 360. Sun is absolutely blaring on my face here at the moment. And we've got the railway line to the left hand side. Seen it. So I'm filming this in 4K 30, but the 360 will take right up to 8K video, I believe. So let me know in the comments what you think so far of the 360 video.
Oh.
That guy had a life that we never really come back. Look at these guys sunbathing in this beautiful sunshine. I'm so lucky to live in Bathpool, just like us guys. Train passing through. We've got about 11 weeks before we head off to Australia. And just to remind you, that trip, we're going to go from Manchester through Frankfurt to Singapore to Sydney to Ayers Rock, Uluru, Brisbane, Surfers Paradise, and of course Los Angeles. So we need to get practicing with all our camera equipment. And the wind's actually calm this side. It looks as though there's quite a few people around Kidsgrove Beach. We'll go and check that out. A lot more work to be done with the DJI Neo FPV combo, and lots of different moves that we can make on that one. And I've also bought the FPV controller, which will eventually allow us to fly manual and acro. So a lot of training to be done there. Okay, we're back on with the 360, and I actually walk a bit along here. Mind you, then again, it's a bit on the muddy side. Well, there we go, Kidsgrove Beach, using the 360 camera. And look what they've done this week. They've actually removed that tree that fell down here. Left a little bit of it about. Well, probably not moved it. What they've actually done is just made it look more presentable, I guess, there. And yeah, wow, look, Kidsgrove Beach. You can see there's some fishermen sat up there. Just hear the train going past. And let's give you a wide shot using the iPhone of this stunning day. I'm back with the iPhone. Very, very still around here, not much wind. You can see my shadow again there. So I don't know how old these 360s are at. I guess the editing is going to be A little bit probably on the tricky side. Let's go, there we go. Right, the water's out. Now, just before we end the video, Michelle, Harlow and Paige. Just met these lovely people and they recognised me here in Bathpool. So big shout out. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. Then, just a short video today with the Insta 360. Let me know how we've done with the photographing and the editing. And of course, if you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, and please subscribe to the channel. Capturing moments, creating memories. The vlog is over.